still. We'll have breakfast sometime later and then we'll continue the journey. Don't think that I'm wearing the same shirt because that stupid hotel geyser was not working and I don't want to freeze myself bathing in that cold water. That is the reason I did not take bath and I just I washed my face and I started the journey. Today is a very long journey. We need to cover around 780 kilometers, and as per Google it will take us 16 hours to cover this distance. Yesterday also it showed us 15.5 hours, but we covered the distance in 12 hours. However, we did not take any breaks. That was the reason we were able to cover well within the time of Google. But today I don't know if we will be able to continue the same pace because we are not sure about the road conditions here. The last time when I came to Kolkata in 2017, the roads were very good, but I see a lot of construction going on in this highway. I don't know how far we have these constructions going on. There is another highway going in front of us. Same model, dark edition. I've been driving my car, but I have not seen my car being driven. So this is good. I'm just following him. That car is from HP, I think Himachal Pradesh, I believe. So I don't know where he is going. I'm just following him. It looks good. Convoy का जैसा लग रहा है मुझे. Black Army. So yeah, that's it. And also I wanted to tell you about that hotel, man. If you are planning to stay in Srikakulam, right, don't stay in that Sunrise Hotel. It's a Faltu hotel, #1 Faltu hotel. No proper facilities, no geyser. They have geyser but no hot water, no blankets. I paid the bill. After paying the bill, I came to know all these things. Otherwise, I would not have paid and I would have gone to a different hotel. So we are done with the breakfast. We stopped there outside of Srikakulam and we had breakfast there itself. You can see, right, it's a lot of diversions. This was not the case in 2017. 2017, when I visited Kolkata, the road was pretty good. Even now the road is good, but only thing is there are diversions in between because of this ongoing construction. Like 10 to 15 kilometers you will have proper highway, and that highway is super smooth, and after that again you will have this diversion. The highway is like this, on and off bits and pieces here and there. We have covered 100 kilometers till now, and now the time is 8:30. I just hope there will be less traffic in Kolkata today. I'm not sure last time when I visited if there was any bypass to bypass the city or not. So I told you, right, my wife is from Meghalaya. She was born in Meghalaya, but her education, everything, she was grown up in West Bengal itself. So that's our plan for now. Let's see, hope everything goes well as planned and no surprises. I don't want surprises in the journey. We have crossed 2 states now, Telangana, Andhra, and we have entered the 3rd state. 2 more states to cross to enter Meghalaya, West Bengal and Assam. So totally we are covering 5 states in this trip. So ठीक है, we'll leave Telangana because we are starting from Telangana. So we are covering 4 states excluding my own home state. Andhra, Orissa, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya. Not 4, sorry, 5 states excluding Telangana. कितना अच्छा लगता है ना, like you are seeing different cultures, different geography, different landscapes. This is the greatness of road trips, Anyway, like if you don't have time, then it's always preferable to go by flight. But if you have time, then I always prefer road trips when compared to flight journey or train journey. Train to chhodi do. Instead of train, I'll go by car. Like let's say if I don't have time, if I want to do something in very quick or short time, then I'll definitely go by flight. So let's see from here, from Orissa, how the roads will be. Till Orissa, roads are good. I told you, right, bits and pieces. Like for few kilometers you will have a super smooth highway, and for few kilometers you will have that diversion. So I think we will be having our lunch in Bhubaneswar. Orissa style food, Orissa traditional food, or maybe Orissa thali, and dinner in West Bengal. मेरा dinner तो fix हो गया. Last time when I visited Kolkata, I think that is dal tadka, like dal fry जैसा है. In that dal fry they have added egg. क्या taste था, like it was super tasty man, super good. After that I tried the same dal tadka in Assam. It was not that great, मतलब वो वाला taste नहीं आया. So I have already inquired the hotel, where is that hotel and all, where did we eat, because last time my uncle has taken us to that hotel. So I checked with him the hotel name and the area. So like it will be on our way. It's a dhaba on the way to our home. So we'll definitely stop there. We'll have that and then we'll leave. So dinner is planned. So lunch is yet to be planned. But mostly lunch will be in Bhubaneswar. I like traveling, but I also like trying different tastes and food. So you can achieve this only if you do road trips, because you'll be traveling through different cities, different villages, and you get to see a lot of varieties of food. That's what, right? I am super excited, super charged up. Need to cover much more distance. We'll give you the drive update soon. Until then, enjoy the drive with us. वही वो एड्रेस पे शेयर किया, बॉलोगर फॉरेस्ट से करके है कहते हैं.
मतलब वहाँ पे कोई रोड ब्लॉक नहीं है ना, जैसे बता रहे
ऐसा दिखाएगी.
उसको नहीं पता, किसी ने उसको बोला कि ऐसा रोड ब्लॉक है करके. अरे यार क्या पी रहा है, इसको सही चीजें क्यों नहीं है यार.
इतने सारे ट्रक्स हैं. मुझे लगता है वो ओपन हो जाएगा. व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
हो जाएगा, लेकिन कब होगा तो वो पुलिस वाला भी नहीं बता पा रहा था. हम लोग कैसे बताएंगे? ऐसे बच्चे को लेके जब कोई.
अरे यहाँ पे ब्लॉक तो नहीं हुआ. Man, this is the worst day of my life. Seriously, the worst day, because we were blocked near Tangi. It's before Bhubaneswar. That's because there was an accident. Unfortunately, that accident was almost in front of us. I already observed that the carnival, he was driving very rash. I was just joking with my wife, kisko thok dega ye karke, because he was driving very fast and he was not even slowing down at the speed breakers. Whatever we discussed, the same thing happened. He had hit the motorcycle trying to get onto the highway, which is coming from the village, and on the spot that biker was dead. And it was the worst accident I have ever seen. Like, I have not seen any. I have seen accidents, but I have not seen accidents which has taken lives away. I'm still not able to get my mind off from that accident or whatever it is. Seriously, the biker's body was cut into 2 pieces. I seriously, man, I am not able to talk about it. That's the reason we completely, the villagers came. They have blocked the highway. They were not allowing anyone to move from there. They completely blocked the highway with the help of stones and other things. So we were stuck there, and they were burning tires. And if anyone is trying to escape from that place, they were trying to harm their vehicles, smash their vehicles. Completely, all the villagers came onto the road. I think that guy is from the same village. So we were stuck there for almost 3 hours. Luckily, we met one guy. I just want to call out his name and say thank you. Thank you, Sabyasachi. He is from Kolkata. He told us he is also going to Kolkata from Bangalore. He told us the way, that there is a shortcut from town, and he told us the name of the town, so that we were able to go to that town, and we were able to pass that blockage. We have now crossed Bhubaneswar. It has killed a lot of our time, man. Like, if that incident would not have happened, we would have reached at least not Kolkata, but at least we would have been halfway through Kolkata. I pray God to give a lot of strength to the family to come out of that grief. Whatever done cannot be undone. So the complete mistake was this car guy's mistake. He was going very rash. The biker was just getting onto the highway from the village, and I think he did not see, or I don't know what exactly had happened. Suddenly, just with the glimpse of my eye, everything happened. Everything happened. Even my dash camera recorded it. I don't want to upload it and make it viral or do something else. I will delete the video from my dash camera. Okay, whatever is over now. We'll concentrate on our driving. That made us more cautious, and that made me focus more on the road. Anyways, I'll be focusing on the road. I'll not drive very rash, but still I have to be much more careful after that incident. I'm little scared, frankly speaking. So yeah, that's it. Like, when it comes to the drive update, man, we have a lot of kilometers to cover, around 400 kilometers to cover. After that incident, I don't want to rush. If we are late, or if I am not able to drive, or maybe if I'm feeling tired, then we will have some break in between, and we'll leave for Kolkata tomorrow. You will plan, but you should have plan B also. Unfortunately, I did not plan for plan B, but let's hope I get the strength to drive till Kolkata without any breaks. So yeah, that's it. Anyway, we are not traveling tomorrow. That's a good thing. Otherwise, it will be a lot of travel, and you may not be able to concentrate the next day. Luckily, we are taking rest in Kolkata tomorrow. So that's another reason I might drive till Kolkata tonight.